Weedless Transfers. As you can see, I've printed off on sheet A, and this is actually a white coated sheet. It's called sheet B. It's got like a white toner type film on it, and so basically on sheet A here, this was printed off a white laser jet printer. It's the Oki 911, and we're going to basically put these two sheets together and heat press them, and they're off, the sizing's off just a little bit, as you can see here, so they fit on here nicely. And we're going to put it on the heat press, and we're going to press this for 1 minute with a good amount of pressure. Alright, now the heat press is done, so we're going to pop it up, lift it up, and we're going to take this and flip it back over, and we're going to slowly peel the two apart. And as you can see here, the white from sheet B sticks to the back of the image of sheet A, giving it more of a white background for the shirt that it's going to go on. I found that you have to peel it pretty slow. I haven't been able to peel too fast, otherwise some of the image starts to pop off on sheet B. And right at the end here, I go kind of slow, just don't lose any of the image, and there you go. And you can see here on sheet B, all the ink, the white ink, has now transferred onto sheet A. Now we have our shirt here, and I've already pre-pressed this, and I've reduced my temperature on the heat press from 395 down to 355 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've decreased the time as well, where I was pressing A and B sheets together for 1 minute. Now I'm going to heat press the sheet A that's prepped and ready for 30 seconds onto the shirt. So we're going to take the sheet, which is now basically just a transfer, we're going to flip it over and line it up on the shirt. This particular image, I don't need to use any heat tape, but you could use some heat tape. And once we have that centered and ready, we're going to lay it there, and we are going to heat press it for 30 seconds. Now that it's ready, we're going to pop it and take the shirt. It needs to cool, so this is a cool peel. So we're going to take this and just lay it here, and we're going to let it cool, and we'll come back and peel it here in just a few. Alright, now that this is cooled, we're going to go ahead and peel this. So we're just going to take it and then just peel it straight back. See, it pops right off. Here we go, and our colors look fantastic. You can kind of see down here, there's a little bit of a glare just because of its basically toner that's on the shirt. And then we can also, they say you can reheat press this at a little bit lower temperature, and I usually heat press it again for some designs. I won't for this particular design, but for some designs I'll re-press it again for 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds, and that will actually matte the finish a little bit, and they say it will actually embed the ink into the shirt a little bit more, so it's a little bit more durable as far as long-term wear.